Hey everybody, Austin here, and in today's video I want to talk about getting started as an affiliate with Legendary, where you're going to find your affiliate links, and how you can set them up into a ClickFunnels account for your email opt-in page and your bridge page. So as always, let's just get into it. So you see right now we are in the Legendary Marketer dashboard. This is the affiliate dashboard. If you click affiliates, this is where you'll be if you are an affiliate. If you don't know where we're at and what this is about, go ahead and click the link in the bio or the description, and it'll bring you to the opt-in page to get set up to become an affiliate for Legendary. So on the left, you will click funnels, and you'll click business challenge, and you'll see it has affiliate links here. You'll click affiliate links, and this is where you'll get your affiliate link. You can look at the different types of things, but as far as an affiliate link, you'll just copy your affiliate link and we'll paste it into the back end of our funnel. So let's move forward to our ClickFunnels account. For any of you that don't have ClickFunnels, I'll leave at the end of this video, I'll leave in the description a link to ClickFunnels and everything for you to get started. So don't worry about that right now. But if you have ClickFunnels, let's just take a look right here. So my bridge page for Legendary. So in your ClickFunnels dashboard, this is inside of a funnel, right? This is my opt-in page and my bridge page. So if I open up my opt-in page, this is exactly what my opt-in page is. And what the opt-in page is, it's really to opt in for somebody to exchange for an email. So right here it says click the button below to watch a free presentation. So in exchange of them clicking the button below, which will bring the pop-up up, get the first name and the email address, I will then send them to a video training. So that's my promise to them in exchange for their email. After that, they'll be sent to the bridge page. This is where I personally talk to show them a real person. Hey, this is me, blah, 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 and what to expect on the next page, and then the 15-day challenge. And the 15-day challenge, as you should already know, if you're in Legendary, is the Legendary affiliate product that we're promoting. So here's a little script that I have typed on my bridge page talking about the 15-day challenge, who it's with. And when they click start now, this is where your affiliate link is. So if they click this button, they're going to go to the 15-day challenge, and as you see, it'll bring them right here. So that's our affiliate link, but how do we get that input in here? Let's go back right here on a bridge page. You will want to edit page, and when it opens up, then you could change the buttons. You could add more buttons. You see I have another button down below. Both of these buttons, you want to make sure they're both linked though. So you can see it says it's linked. It says where it's linked to. Just click settings, and then it's going to say edit action. This is the button action, button edit action. Hit set action. Go to website URL, and then you copy and paste your affiliate link, specifically for Legendary for this show or video. However, this is the same thing, same steps for any affiliate link on any bridge page or landing page inside of ClickFunnels. Also, I wanted to show you this since you are watching this video, and if you've gotten started with Legendary, if not, make sure you do get started. And if you do get started, if you click the link in the description, I'll bring you to a page like this where beginners can partner with me, and I'll let you clone my entire business model. So if you're already in whatever, I'll let you clone my business, what I just showed you, my bridge page and everything like that, but I'll also let you clone my email sequence. So after you put in your first name and your email address here, you'll come to a page that looks like this. How to clone my high-ticket affiliate marketing business and make it yours. A video presentation on what it is, how to do it. Step 1, if you haven't already done so, start the 15-day challenge. This allows you to become approved Legendary Marketer affiliate as soon as possible. So you click here, it'll bring you to the Legendary Marketer affiliate page, or the 15-day challenge. Get into the challenge, learn about affiliate marketing, and then you would want to go to step 2 right here, which is click this button to copy my funnel. And that would be the funnel you saw here. You can copy both of these, where all you have to do is plug in your video here, you plug in your affiliate links on the next page. On here, you would plug in your affiliate links to these 2 buttons. You change your little background story right here, and you're good to go. Number 3, connect your active campaign and access follow-up emails. For those of you who don't know what Active Campaign is, that is our email autoresponder. Once somebody opts into an email list, I made a video on this about 2 days ago, so if you just go back on the YouTube channel, you'll be able to see exactly how easy it is and exactly how to copy and paste my email sequence. So if you click copy and paste my email sequence, it'll access the Google Documents for 7 days worth of email sequences that I personally use to this date to scale my affiliate business with Legendary. So you can copy and paste those directly into your ActiveCampaign as shown in the video recorded 2 days ago. It is on YouTube, so I'll link to that in the description as well. And then step 4, you can join the free Facebook group. And step 5, subscribe to this YouTube channel. All you gotta do is click this button in that training. If you forget to click the button below right now. But that's gonna wrap this video up. I like to keep everything short, sweet, and to the point. If you have any questions, make sure you subscribe, comment below, and I'll be sure to record a video on it. We'll see you there.